What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, I am your favorite Liberian boy, Fizzle. In today's video, we are in Robertsport. I'm going to be showing you a little bit of Robertsport City, you know, the Lake Piso, and what the city looks like. If you are from Grand Cape Mount County, comment down in the comment section, when was the last time you visited Grand Cape Mount, or when was the last time you visited Robertsport? The city is changing. There are new resorts opening all over the place, and you know, I just have to show it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of this great community we have here on YouTube. And if you're watching this on Facebook, click my profile, follow me, and become a part of the family on that side. Now, I have a GoFundMe, by the way, and I haven't been promoting that of recent. And the GoFundMe is all about us contributing in order for me to buy new camera gears to shoot more high quality content, or some people might say more professional looking content for you guys, my audience. So I'm going to put my GoFundMe right here so you can see what it looks like, and I'll put a link to the GoFundMe in the description. That's if you're watching it on YouTube, and I'll put it up in the caption if you're watching it on Facebook. Go there, contribute, even if it's $5, no problem. The idea is we have a goal we're trying to meet, and I hope we meet it before this year ends. So without further ado, my name is Fizzle, your favorite Liberian boy, and until next time, peace.